Hi, this is Brandy and this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm doing a special unboxing. I was asked if I was interested to do like a friend box exchange with some other YouTubers, and I agreed. So we decided to each send each other a spring themed box, and this is the first one I've received, and I'm gonna open it. So check it out. Oh, ooh, it smells nice. Spring equinox. So this says, Dear Hound Dog Hollow, I hope you love this box as much as I love putting it together. Sapphire Rose. Okay, I don't ever read the insert before I look in the box. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, everything is packaged so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, one at a time. So this is really pretty. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I'm not a rapper, so mine is not as pretty packaged, and I hope they still like it. They should be getting it in 2 to 3 days. Ooh, ooh. Oh, healing mud foot mask. Cool. I was opening it upside down. Oh, cool. Contains bentonite clay. Awesome. 2 uses. That's really cool. I made a little bit of a mess, but I can smell it's got really something yummy in it. Oh, beautiful. Lovely, lovely. It's a crystal. Aww. It's a beautiful pendant. Lovely. Oh, I got a puppy in here. Some incense. That's one of the smells, I can tell for sure. A beautiful hand-painted feather, and it looks like a sage smug with some Palo Santo. Gloves for the garden. Wonderful. And this looks like a macrame plant hanger. That's so cool. Wow. Thank you, Sapphire Rose. This is beautiful. This is amazing. All right, let's read about it a little bit. So a raw Amazonite, healing properties, speak your truth. Cool. An orange adventuring pendant, lovely. The stone of luck, word manifests exciting new possibilities. Awesome. Healing mud foot mask. It's got lemon balm and lavender. That's what the smell is. Yum. Yum. Do not use a metal bowl or spoon. The clay will absorb heavy metals. Good to know. Sage bundle with Palo Santo and a feather. Use it to smudge your face. Lavender incense sticks. A plant hanger. Aww. And gardening gloves. Wonderful. This is a really, really beautiful box. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Sapphire Rose. I hope that you like mine later this week, but I'm sure we'll find out. So again, thank you so much. This is a really cool idea. I really enjoyed it, both getting a box and also I really enjoyed sending a box. Please comment if this is something you're interested in, or if you've ever tried this, or what your experiences have been. Please give this a like, because this is an amazing box. She did an amazing job. I'm going to leave a link to her YouTube page too. She also does unboxings, and they're pretty cool, so check them out. And you know, there'll be one more to come from a different YouTuber later this week. And of course, I'm going to be looking out for when they review mine. But anyways, thank you guys so much. This was a beautiful gift on an otherwise rough day. And it really cheered me up. So thank you. I appreciate it. I love it. It's wonderful. So please, guys, give me a like, comments, what you think. If you haven't already, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.